If you're trying to trade on Deriv using mt5, it's important to understand that you can't just download mt5 and log in with your email. Deriv uses special mt5 account credentials that you must create inside your Deriv dashboard. So now, how to begin? So you just go to Deriv and log in. On your dashboard, you look for dTrader, and then dmt5 or Traders Hub, and then Deriv mt5. And you'll see different account types: synthetic, financial, and financial STP. Choose the one that you want. And this will generate your mt5 login number. This is not your email. Deriv will also ask you to set a separate mt5 password. Then on Deriv, just click on download mt5. You go to platforms, Deriv mt5, and press on download now. Also, you can choose other platforms like iPhone or Android, or use the service on the web. Then navigating back to your mt5, you just go ahead and log in. Then go File, log into Trade Accounts. And for login, enter your mt5 account number from Deriv. Password, enter the mt5 password you created. For server, choose the one shown on Deriv. And make sure the server matches exactly. Once you log in, look at the bottom right of mt5. You should see green and red bars. A fluctuating number means you're connected successfully. And that's how you connect mt5 to Deriv the right way. Just create your mt5 account inside Deriv, use the correct server, and log in with the generated credentials. If you need any other tutorials on how to place trades, for example, let me know. And thank you for watching.